Hi, my name is Christine and this is Kai. Welcome to our renovated sweet digs. Before you come in, please take off your shoes and subscribe below. Okay, come in. I live here with my husband Ben, my son Kai, and my dog Epic, and we've been living here for a year and a half. We live in the border of Dumbo and Vinegar Hill. Before the renovation, this apartment was a 3-bedroom apartment. The renovation cost us $50,000, and that included hiring a contractor, an architect, a sprinkler engineer, also decorating the entire apartment. So this is our kitchen. My favorite part about the kitchen is the sink facing the room. When we are washing dishes, we can watch TV or watch Kai playing on the mat. I am Korean, so I like to cook lots of Korean food, but also lots of Italian food. One of my favorite things to cook is wild mushroom pappardelle. I am an experiential event designer. I design spaces for pop-ups and product launches. I took this renovation as one of my work projects. I created the floor plan, renderings, and had a design deck which had a lot of options and inspiration images. This is our living room. The living room was half of this current size. There used to be a wall over there that was our 3rd bedroom. The dining room area and the living room area was pretty small, so we wanted to open it up to make a larger common space. First was the demo of the walls. We had to relocate the sprinklers. In the beginning of the renovation, I was pregnant with Kai. I was in 1st trimester. We actually moved into the space while the renovation was happening. That was very hard. When I was designing the space, I knew the couch will be sitting in the middle of the room, so I wanted it to have really pretty back and sit low to the ground. Couch is from the Croft House, which is only located in California. They didn't have a showroom here, so we couldn't really do the comfort test. Luckily, Ben had a business trip out to LA, so he was able to sit on it. It passed the comfort test, and we were able to bring it home. I love having plants in our home. Its shape and colors really bring life to our space. The most sentimental item in this space would be my cello. My mom got it for me when I was 8, so that's many years ago. This is my son Kai's bedroom. The only change we made was to relocate the door location. It used to face where the living room is, but we closed it off and made the door face the hallway. The theme of the room really started from our baby moon in Morocco. The rug really set the tone for the rest of the room with its colors and the textures. For baby room, we didn't really want to spend too much money, so we mixed high and low cost items. Investment piece like the pull-out bed, we got it from Pottery Barn, but the rest of the items are from IKEA, H&M, Urban Outfitters, and Anthropologie Home section. This room has the most expensive and valuable art pieces, and that would be these two done by Kai. I framed them with the frames from West Elm. They look like $1 million. This is our master bedroom. The only renovation we did to this room was adding the bookshelf to the wall. There was a space right next to the entrance, so I wanted to utilize its height and add more storage space. My favorite part of this room is the gallery wall. It has all the photos from our trip that I took. Some of the photos of us were taken by the local photographers that we hire when we travel. It's really a great way to meet the locals, but also see the local spots. We have 2 bathrooms. One is out in the hallway and one's in our master bedroom. I like the bathrooms a lot because I didn't have to do a lot of work. It already came in like pristine condition. In our first apartment together, the bathroom was so tiny I could just spread my arms and touch the walls. in the bathroom. So our current bathrooms are a huge step up. I would love our next apartment to have true 3 bedrooms and an outdoor space for Kai and Epic to run around. In the beginning, we were really scared to do a renovation since it's our first renovation. But once we went through the process and once it was all done, I feel like it's totally worth it, worth all the hardships. This is Kai's first home and it will always have a special place in our heart. Thanks for watching my sweet digs. To watch more video, click here. To subscribe, click here.